I don't know how this works. So I'm gonna twerk. I'm kidding. Okay, so how do you like? We're gonna figure out how this works. Me and my 1 million subscribers. um, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, ring that notification bell, you know, all that good stuff. Whatever people do when they're on the internet and on the World Wide Web, and they're just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna stream to the internet, and I'm just gonna show everybody your browser's Chromium version is not supported. Okay. Chromium needs nuts. LMAO got him. um. Okay, so there's gotta be a way to, like, set what your stream is about. Can you, like, set it from, like, the... Can you set it from the website? I can see it from the website. Oh, that's a, like, an ass frame rate on the website. Oh, because I've got ass upload. That's why. Okay. Um... How does this, like, work? Videos. Videos. Audios. There's gotta be a way to set this. To say, like, oh yeah, I'm just kinda fucking around, you know? I'm just like, just kinda not doing anything serious, you know? Yeah, it's not an art stream. How do you make it not an art stream? Oh my gosh, you can edit it on the site, but you can't edit it in OBS. No. Why can't I hear myself? Okay. There. I think I changed the, thing. You do not meet the minimum requirements to use this feature. You're required to disclose if your content is not viewable to certain viewers. Okay, so you can put that. Is anybody even, like, watching? I don't know. I forgot how Twitch works. This thing is, like, loading. Oh, wow. There's, like, a bunch of viewers, and I bet they're all, like, fake. Okay, so So that's like working, I guess. Um, yeah, I hope the audio is working. Because, like, if it's not working and I'm just talking to myself for, like, no reason, I'm sitting here, like, oh, I'm not going to stream with audio. And then I'm just like, oh, I'm just going to stream for audio for a little bit. And if, like, nobody can hear it, then, like, it was all, like, for nothing. Because then it's just like, oh, why are you going to stream if you have yes audio and nobody can hear it? Look at all these fake watchers. Are you fake watchers or are you real watchers? Let me know in the comments below. Um, answer. Your mic is working. Wait, what? Why would I? Why would I want to do that? It's like showing me all these options. Like, oh, I'm just gonna like delete this message and like warn you and ban you and all this. And I was like, no. Sage of Magi is like nice. Okay, is there like static? Because I've got a fan on because it's like 20 bajillion ad break ends. Twitch is fake. Twitch is fake. Fake, 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 fake. Okay. Okay, so we got filters for the mic, right? Um, I mean, not that anybody can see me. Or, not see me, they can't see me. Anybody can hear me. Ads, 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 ads. If anybody with premium is not watching with ads, I'm sorry. Well, at least we know the overlay responds to like genuine ads. We've only had like fake data to like test with. So now we have like, oh, we got real data to test with. And let me see in the debug interface. Got undefined. Blah, blah, yada 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 yada. Everything's working right. Nothing about the ads though. Nothing about the ads. I don't know. Um. Oh hey, the following thing works. Look at Satirical Soul. It's like on there. We got like real data to work with. Okay. So just some audio filters. Let's see what oh, one of these is called expander. I kind of wonder what that does, but honestly. Noise suppression. Uh, good quality, more CPU usage. Bad quality, low CPU. I got a Ryzen 1600 to be alright. Um, yeah. See, that's the thing, right? Because in the little panel, it was like, oh, you're an affiliate, so you can have ads. So I'm just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna have ads, right? Because I'm gonna make that money. But oh, I turned it off because I didn't know. I'll turn it back on. Um, so yeah, I was just like, whatever. try out the ads because they're supposed to let you know in advance. It's like, oh, I'm gonna let you know in advance, but they like lied and they did not let me know in advance because they're fake. Also, yeah, it looks like the chat is showing up on the screen properly, so that's cool. Um, I just spotted a bug with the overlay. Um, so to fix that real quick. It's cutting off the name of one of the patrons. Patrons might not like that. They're like, I'm giving you a lot of money. I want 100% of my name on the screen. It's like, oh no, I'm sorry. There's a bug, and you only get like 95% of your. Yeah, see, that's the thing. It's like we had the option to turn off pre-roll ads. So it's like, oh, okay, whatever. Yeah, we may just may turn off the ads completely because like ads suck. Oh yeah, that is true. Because of like fees, right, from like Patreon and from like transferring it, we do only get like 85, 90, and we gotta pay the IRS, whatever, and then that whole thing. So really, it's like 70%. So actually, all the patrons should be cut off by like 70%. Um, okay. Let's restart this overlay, and unfortunately, we have to wait for the name that's like bugged to show up. I wonder if 5 seconds is too short for chats. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. I thought they still served ads. Like the thing about it is, right? Like before we had the affiliate, and it was just like because it says like, oh, if you're just like not affiliate, then like they don't show you ads. That's what the documentation says. But like then in actuality, like they just put ads anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna increase the notification time and the chat time to like 10 seconds. Let's see. Um, um, I'm not the programmer. I don't know where all this stuff is. Twitch. Twitch. So 300, and I'm gonna change that to 600, and then 300, and we're gonna change that to 600. So, and I wasn't looking, so I don't know if the name went by already or not. We're gonna run this again, and oh, there we go. There's the name. There's the name. It was Ansel Geisel, and the L was like off. Like somebody took the L, and that's a problem because I needed the L. It's like no, no, I want the L in this situation. You can't take my L from me. By the way, you can see we have like no support for emojis. This is all running in GameMaker. So yeah, we're using our own custom font. We tried to by the way, hi Juban. We tried to get emojis in here, and after like 3 hours, like a couple hours of like messing around with it, right? And eventually we were just like, okay, because we tried the the um the Twitter emoji, like Tweemoji, right? And so we tried that, and that didn't work. And we tried the Noto emojis, and that didn't work. And so like that was all Roxy looking into that. I'm just like No, wait, I think that was me looking into it. Anyway, um, so we're just like, oh, and I found out that GameMaker doesn't support UTF-16, so you can't do emojis like the good ones. Like we can have a snowman, but we can't have a fox. And so like, but the thing is, like, it actually turns out you can get GameMaker to do UTF-16, but it's like really iffy if you add the font manually, right? And so we tried that, and GameMaker froze for like 20 minutes, and then when it unfroze, kids are just like, okay, we're just gonna let you cook with that, and we'll be right back, right? And so we did that, and it only put like 40 or 50 emojis, and it was just like the astrology signs, right? Like, who the fuck's gonna like, oh, I'm gonna use the astrology sign emoji in your chat. So, so this is what happens when you apparently nothing happened. There we go. So what happens when you send foxes? You just get squares. And we were thinking about replacing like Twitch emojis with squares as well, because like you can get the information off of them, but we just didn't feel like it. Um, so pretty much like if you post a bunch of emojis, then it just looks like it's heavily redacted, like we're talking about like government secrets. We're just in here like, oh yeah, we're just leaking classified government secrets and stuff. By the way, spoiler, I'm not drawing in this stream or anything. I'm only streaming for like maybe 15 more minutes. We just wanted to see if it like worked with real data because we've been using like made up data. It's basically just like Twitch's API, right? They have like examples like, oh, the data's gonna look like this, and we just kind of like copied it. And oh my gosh, it didn't word wrap. Juman, you found a bug. Also, your name's not capitalized. That's weird. Your name should be capitalized. Okay, we must be getting the wrong. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even think about it. Sage of Magi's name is not capitalized either. So that is also a bug. So let's see what we got going on here. Twitch add IRC message, and that is called over here, right? The sender. The sender is sender 0. Okay. No, 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 no. That's no wait, yeah. No, that is the Twitch messages. What? Do we just not get capital messages? Okay, let me see the API. API, Twitch API. Not the 1 million other APIs we've been looking at. The Twitch API. Rating a stream, returning a poll, getting videos, API. Here we go. Um, Wait, this is the wrong API. Twitch has at least three APIs. There's one for like getting the regular stats, right? There's one for like the IRC, like the chat, and then there's one for the little notifications at the top. So in the past few days, we had to learn three APIs, and they all kind of like depend on each other. So like in order to get stuff from like the event sub, right? From the top, you have to get permissions from the other API. And then there's like chat stuff too. So like you have to ask the one API if you can use the other API, and it's kind of silly, but it also kind of makes sense, like I guess. Okay, so whisper, no. Membership commands? It's like priv message, I think. Yeah, priv message. Um, oh yeah, send and receive messages. Priv message. This is a sample message. If you send too many messages in rapid succession, the Twitch IRC server will close the connection. Well, that sucks. Um, okay, so the documentation is like no good. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to go get the raw message. Where is it? It's the raw message and put it in a debug output. So we can say show debug message. I'm gonna rerun this. All right, Dwarts. Okay, so remind me to talk about this the emoji thing because there's more to say about that. Um, okay, okay, this is weird. So like this is the output, right? I'm gonna post this output, which stream latency, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But look, it's all lowercase. There is no uppercase in this at all. No uppercase. So how are we supposed to know what is the like the uppercase, you know? Oh no. Oh no. That's stupid. If they want us to like if they want us to like get the joins first and then like have the list and then like oh that would be dumb. That would be dumb. Um but this API is kind of dumb, honestly. Um it's the most entertaining stream that I'm looking at Game Maker and I can't show you because I don't know how. I suppose I could just like lie and then just be like, oh, there we go, there we go. And then you can't see it because it's downscaled to like 1p. Don't look don't look too closely at the code because you just kind of like wrote it real quick, right? Um, so like this code is kind of like iffy. Um, okay. I forgot what I was looking at actually. Yeah, we just got all this stuff right here. We just kind of ignored it. But maybe actually we shouldn't ignore it. Um, all right. So now we're going to see when it connects. Whenever it connects, come on, come on. I saw that. I saw the user state, global user state. Um, yeah. Where's the other user states? Um, just Koira, like like koi fish. I would assume. But you know what they say about assuming. Um, I'm just making sure that this all works. So like when we actually go to like actually draw something, we're not just sitting there like, oh no, it doesn't work. It's blowing up. We're gonna die. So that's what we're doing. Uh, we're making sure that like the stream can get out there and like people can see it and it doesn't like cut out and do any weird stuff, you know. Do you guys know it's been like 3 years since we streamed to Twitch and like that was a long time ago. So it's like, you know, I don't know. I don't know what's going on Twitch. Uh, so if you ever wonder why like we don't like mainly because I'm the one who draws, and like if I got the mic on, I'm just gonna sit here talking for like ever, and I'm not actually gonna draw anything. So that's why we usually want to stream with like the mic off because it's like a focus thing, you know. Because like then you get to talking about like oh yeah I'm gonna talk about whatever, and then like and then you get nothing done, and then it's just a stream of just like talking, you know. And I know they got streams like that, but it's not the kind of stream where you know we're trying to work on commissions. We're not trying to just like talk the whole time, you know. Oh yeah, but the thing about emojis, right? We can actually like we can actually like load them in and like you know add sprite. We could load them at runtime. We could um, add them in, draw them on the screen. Like it's not a problem. But only like for the Twitch emojis. So we were just thinking like, you know, well, if we can't get regular emojis, um, then why are we gonna support Twitch emojis? And also, we were just kind of feeling lazy because we don't know like I don't know how much you're gonna stream. We did the calculation. We said that we ended up figuring out we spent about 29 hours on this. So we got to stream for at least 29 hours to like get the cost back of having done that because otherwise like it's just a big waste of time. Do you guys like the interface though? Like does it look nice? Wait, why am I waiting? The response is gonna be in text. It's not like people are gonna jump on and be like, "Oh yeah, you know." I don't know if Twitch I don't know if Twitch can I don't know if Twitch can do that. Yeah, this is what happened. Like we were just gonna use the old stream interface, right? Because it was already and then we were just like you know we were messing with stream elements and we were just like this is kind of boring, you know. And we were just thinking like oh people can just like anybody can go on to stream elements, right? And just come up with a stream element. um, it's like anybody can do that, you know. So like if we're not going to be streaming with like Mike most of the time when we're drawing, right? And we're not going to be streaming music because like we got a copyright thing, right? For streaming music from Shieldcat, which I guarantee you 100% we made ourselves. It was specifically the Marcus's Adventure minigame music, and I would play a Marcus Adventure minigame music, but like the stream would just explode right away. I would like die. Why is there a yellow square around Game Maker? I don't like that. Anyway, um, yeah, there's like a yellow square around Game Maker. All right. Um, so yeah, so like basically, you know, no audio, bring your own music, whatever. So we're just like, you know, it's gonna be boring having just like stream elements because it's like whatever, you know, like anybody can do that. So we're just like, you know, well, we got Game Maker, we can just like make something in it, you know. So Ash was just like, oh yeah, you know, I'm just gonna like try out something real quick. And Roxy was just like, you know, oh, little I like APIs. I can just like eat them. Oh yeah. Yeah, it might be See, I've never seen the yellow rectangle on anything before. It's only on Game Maker. It's the first time I've ever seen it. That's weird. It put Game Maker in yellow rectangle prison. This is where you go when you're bad. You go to yellow rectangle prison. Actually, you can't see it in Shieldcat, but we use big yellow rectangles to like section off the screen, right? So like, so like, and I'm not gonna open Shieldcat in GameMaker because we haven't opened it in like a year, and it would have to like update, and then it wouldn't work, and then it'd be like a whole thing. But yeah, there's invisible yellow rectangles, and they determine like where the camera is gonna be locked. So like, just imagine that whenever you're playing Shieldcat, there's like yellow. Oh, oh, it's actually letting me know that like an ad is gonna start. But like, here's the thing, right? It doesn't let me know in such a way that like you know what I need to do? You know what I need to do? I need to do it like right now. I have four and a half minutes to do it. Twitch. Where's that API? Sorry, I interrupted my own story, but I just realized that we were gonna do a test to see like, because you can see when the ad is gonna come up, but you have to be streaming in order for that API to actually return anything. Because otherwise it just like won't. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Um, we're going to hurry to this function right here, right? And by the way, we didn't store the OAuth token in the source code. It's in the data directory for the game, so you're not going to be able to steal our. You're not going to be able to steal our everything. So, all right. Twitch make request. Take that and take that and we take that and channels ads. The broadcaster ID. Yeah. Okay. This is very valuable data I'm about to get. Hopefully. I don't know. I don't know how this works. So we're gonna take that, right? We're gonna take that, and we're gonna take F3. No, you know what? You know what? Um, oh, never mind. I was gonna say chat decide, but like the latency and everything by the time you do, like the ad will be over. So, okay. So I'm just gonna bind it to F5. Um, okay. Did not parse response to endpoint. What do you mean? What do you mean? Did not parse? No, you gotta tell me. I only got like 2 minutes left, and then like I turn into a pumpkin. Um, how did Roxy do this? Is that the auth token? No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, you still can't steal our identity. HTTP status did not parse. Yeah, but it doesn't say what the data is. Okay, we're running out of time. We only have a minute and 30 seconds for me to figure this out. Okay. Wait a minute. No way. Okay. Right. So, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This says the timestamp is going to be returned. And by the way, we're going to snooze that because, whatever. I'm going to be off the stream soon anyway, so it doesn't matter. It says that the timestamp is going to be returned in RFC 3339 format, right? So I am expecting something that looks like this, right? I'm expecting something that looks like that. The output that I got is that. And that is not, that is just, that's just a Unix timestamp. Like, that's just a Unix timestamp. We've just been thinking like, oh, whatever, it's going to be so hard to like figure it out. That is just literally a Unix timestamp. Okay. It's going to be a lot easier to like figure out. Um, Twitch and schedule response.txt. Hopefully, I don't forget that file exists. Um, yeah, see, that's the thing, right? Like, that's not the format promised, but I would much rather have. Because here's the thing, right? GameMaker has its own time format. So, like, this time format, we were thinking like, oh, we're gonna have to like set up a script on our web server to convert this time format to a Unix timestamp because we could turn a GameMaker time into a Unix timestamp and turn it back. It's just math. That one though, that's like weirdly formatted, right? So like that API says, and that's not all it says, right? That one says it's going to be RFC 3999 and it's going to be UTC, right? There's another one here, the bits leaderboard, and this one says it's going to return it in the same format, but it's going to be in Pacific time. So there's one part of the API that says it's going to be in UTC, right? There's another part of the API that says it's going to be in PST, and I'm getting Unix timestamps. So now I gotta know like what. But fortunately, like this API, you could just do whatever. You don't have to be like waiting for an ad to use it. So like we could just test that some other time. Um, Wait a minute. The icon for the ad. Oh, I thought it was like dollars. It's just like an I. Okay. So yeah, this has been pretty much a stream of just me talking randomly. Um, and I hope it was a little entertaining. Not all streams will be like this. Usually, like, we'll usually just be like drawing. And it won't be like any like mic or whatever unless we just feel like being like, oh, voice jump scare. Um, so yeah. I'll probably just wrap this up before the ad comes so that like, nobody sees it. Um, so yeah, I hope it was like enjoyable and all that good stuff. Yeah, 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 yeah. And who knows? Maybe we'll do gaming streams too. Um, but not at like 720p. That's gotta be like 480p. Which fortunately, this interface was designed for like 360p. So like it would look okay at such a small resolution, but like we got bad internet. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, that was the stream. Um like, comment, and subscribe, ring that notification. Yeah, yeah, we'll do gaming streams like the middle of the night when all everybody's asleep, and be like, oh yeah, we're totally gaming, and we're actually like not gaming at all. All right, bye. How do you like stop this thing? There we go.